Welcome to Stanley Subaru. My name is Jordan. I'm a sales consultant, and today I'm going to teach you how to use CarPlay. Today, we're going to be talking to you about CarPlay in the all-new Crosstrek Wilderness. CarPlay has been available on all models since 2019. It is only available wirelessly in models with the 11.6-inch screen starting in the 2023 model year. To set up CarPlay, you want to make sure you open your Bluetooth settings. On the vehicle, you want to select the option to manage devices. So here you want to select Add Device and wait for it to appear on your other devices. Select Crosstrek, wait for it to load, and then you want to select Pair. And then you always want to allow your contacts. So if you do want to make or answer any internal phone calls hands-free, you're able to do that. So now you want to select Use CarPlay to activate the CarPlay option, and you also want to enable it on the screen as well. So with this, CarPlay is connecting wirelessly to the infotainment center. In just a moment, you'll see my phone appear on the screen here. With your CarPlay connected, it is now easier to listen to your favorite podcasts and audiobooks. It is also the perfect way to answer phone calls, create text messages, and set map locations using Siri. It is also the perfect way to go hands-free. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you really like this video, don't forget to check out these other videos and like and subscribe. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this fall afternoon. Catch us next time.